On this episode, I'll show you how I go about creating custom-made packaging for the projects and items I build. In this particular case, I made custom packaging for the Glenlivet 25 wireless Bluetooth speaker I built. If you haven't seen that video, I leave links right here on top of the screen and in the video's description so that you can go check it out. For this project, you will need foam boards, preferably of different thicknesses. I got mine at my local home improvement store. You will also need a razor sharp thin knife or box cutters. You need a measuring tape and some type of ruler or tool that will allow you to make very straight cuts. A hot glue gun will be absolutely vital for this project. I will leave links for most of the tools that you will need in the description of this video. Finally, you will need some type of material, like in this case wood, to make your cuts over. I do not recommend making the cuts on the bare floor. You will end up ruining the floor or your knives. My goal for this project is to create cushioning for this speaker so that it doesn't touch any of the 6 sides of the box and recreate something that you buy from the store.